In this section, we're going to talk about some of Go's built-in variable types. First, let's talk about Go's constants and some drawbacks that you may encounter when mixing them with other types. First, let's declare an integer in multiple different ways. Here, a is a constant, b is implicitly an integer because it's assigned a value of 2, c is explicitly an integer, and d is also implicitly an integer using the shortcut. The constant a is special in a way we'll see later. Here, Go is telling us that all 4 variables are integers, which means we should be able to use them all interchangeably. And this code works, which means they're all normal integers, and we know this because Go does not do any automatic type conversions. Let's just prove that. Here we can't add an int to a 32-bit int, even though the values themselves could be added together safely. Here we can't add an int to a 32-bit int, even though the values themselves could be added together safely. So let's just explicitly cast the int32 to an int. So casting the int32 into an int fixes it. Let's try something a little bit different. And here we can multiply time.second times the constant a. But although a and b can both be used as integers, we can't sleep with b because it's not a time duration, but neither was a, so why does that work? In Go, constants are just numbers. They actually don't have a type. So they can be used in cases where some of the other built-in types like the int and float types could not without an explicit conversion. However, we can always convert b to be a time duration and use it to sleep.